Humans have always looked up at the night sky. Since the dawn of our existence, the stars have been a source of wonder and inspiration. They have guided our ancestors, sparked our imaginations, and fueled our dreams. The night sky, with its countless twinkling lights, has always been a canvas of endless possibilities. We wonder about the stars. What are they made of? How far away are they? Are we alone in this vast universe? Or is there life out there waiting to be discovered? These questions have driven humanity to explore, to learn, and to push the boundaries of what we know. We dream of exploring space. The idea of venturing beyond our planet, of setting foot on distant worlds, has captivated our imaginations for generations. From the early days of rocketry to the monumental achievements of the Apollo missions, our journey into space has been marked by courage, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. What if we could live on another world? Imagine a future where humans inhabit the moon, Mars, and beyond. A future where space is not just a frontier to be explored but a new home for humanity. This vision is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It is becoming a tangible goal. Today, that dream is becoming a plan. Engineers and scientists around the world are working tirelessly to develop the technologies needed to make space colonization a reality. From advanced propulsion systems to sustainable life support, every innovation brings us one step closer to living among the stars. We are going to the moon. The Artemis program, led by NASA, aims to return humans to the lunar surface and establish a sustainable presence. This mission is not just about exploration, it is about laying the groundwork for future space endeavors, not just to visit, but to stay. The vision includes building permanent habitats, conducting scientific research, and utilizing lunar resources. The moon will serve as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration, including missions to Mars and beyond. Building a moon colony is a big challenge, but it is possible. The harsh lunar environment, with its extreme temperatures and lack of atmosphere, presents significant obstacles. However, with determination and ingenuity, we can overcome these challenges and create a thriving lunar community. We are already developing the technology we need. Robotic missions are paving the way, testing new equipment and gathering crucial data. Scientists and engineers are designing habitats that can withstand the lunar conditions and support human life for extended periods. This is a new chapter in human history. Our journey into space is not just about exploration, it is about survival, growth, and the expansion of human civilization. Each step we take brings us closer to a future where space is an integral part of our lives. We are becoming a spacefaring civilization. Collaboration between nations, the involvement of private companies, and the dedication of countless individuals are driving this transformation. Together, we are reaching for the stars, not just as explorers, but as pioneers of a new era in human history. Why the moon? It is our closest neighbor in space. A trip to the moon takes only a few days with current technology. This makes it easier to travel and send supplies. The moon also has resources we can use. Water ice is hidden in craters at the poles. This water can be used for drinking, growing food, and even making rocket fuel. Building on the moon is different from building on Earth. We need protection from radiation, meteoroids, and extreme temperatures. One idea is to use inflatable modules covered in lunar soil. These modules can be connected to create larger living spaces. 3D printing can be used to build structures from lunar dust. This reduces the need to ship materials from Earth. Imagine waking up in a lunar colony. The soft hum of life support systems is the first sound you hear. The walls of your habitat are sleek and modern, designed to make the most of the limited space. You stretch and get out of bed, feeling the slight difference in gravity that makes everything seem just a bit lighter. You look out the window and see the Earth, a blue and green jewel in the blackness of space. It's a breathtaking view that never gets old. The sight of your home planet from this distance is both humbling and inspiring. It reminds you of the fragility and beauty of our world. Your day might involve working in a hydroponic garden, where you carefully tend to plants that provide fresh food and oxygen. The garden is a lush oasis in the otherwise barren lunar environment. Alternatively, you might be conducting scientific research, analyzing lunar soil samples, or experimenting with new technologies that could one day be used on Mars or beyond. Or perhaps you spend your day exploring the lunar landscape. You suit up in your spacesuit, making sure every seal is secure. Stepping outside, you feel the crunch of lunar dust under your boots. You might drive a lunar rover across the rugged terrain, mapping out new areas for future exploration. Because of the moon's lower gravity, you can jump higher and walk with a lighter step. It's a unique sensation, almost like floating. Every movement is more exaggerated and you have to adjust to this new way of getting around. It's both fun and challenging, a constant reminder that you're not on Earth anymore. But you have to be careful. The moon's surface is covered in fine, powdery dust that can be slippery. The terrain is uneven, with craters and rocks that can trip you up if you're not paying attention. Every step requires caution and precision. A small stumble could send you flying. In the low gravity, even a minor misstep can result in a slow-motion fall. You have to be constantly aware of your surroundings and your movements. But despite the challenges, every moment on the moon is an adventure, a chance to push the boundaries of human exploration and discovery. Life on the moon will be different from life on Earth. We need to create a closed ecosystem to recycle air, water, and waste. Food will be grown in hydroponic gardens and greenhouses. Energy can come from solar panels, as the moon receives plenty of sunlight. Communication with Earth will have a slight delay, but we can still stay connected with loved ones back home. Section 6. Challenges and Solutions. Living on the moon presents many challenges. The lack of atmosphere means no air to breathe and no protection from radiation. Temperatures can swing wildly between extreme heat and cold. Specialized spacesuits and rovers will be essential for working outside the colony. We also need to develop ways to deal with lunar dust, which can be abrasive and damaging to equipment. Section 7. The Ethics of Expansion. As we venture into space, we must consider the ethical implications. Who owns the moon? How do we protect its environment? Should we mine its resources, and if so, how do we do it responsibly? These are complex questions with no easy answers. We need to have open and honest discussions about our goals and responsibilities as we become a multi-planetary species. Section 8. One Giant Leap for Humankind. The moment when humans first set foot on the moon was a defining milestone in our history. It was a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The iconic image of astronauts planting a flag on the moon symbolizes not just a national achievement, but a triumph for all of humanity. Building a moon colony is a huge undertaking. It requires meticulous planning, cutting-edge technology, and international collaboration. The construction of lunar habitats involves creating sustainable living conditions in an environment that is harsh and unforgiving. Robotic machinery plays a crucial role in this endeavor, performing tasks that are too dangerous or complex for humans. But the rewards are immense. Establishing a permanent presence on the moon will provide us with invaluable insights into living and working in space. The panoramic view of a moon base with Earth in the background serves as a constant reminder of our home planet and the interconnectedness of all life. Astronauts looking at Earth from the moon gain a unique perspective on our place in the universe. It will push the boundaries of science and technology. The moon serves as a natural laboratory for scientific research, offering opportunities to study its geology, resources, and potential for supporting life. Scientists working with advanced technology on the moon are at the forefront of innovation, developing new tools and techniques that can be applied both in space and on Earth. The lunar rover exploring the surface is a testament to human curiosity and the drive to explore the unknown. It will create new opportunities for exploration and discovery. Collecting moon rock samples allows us to learn more about the moon's history and composition, shedding light on the early solar system. Astronauts using futuristic equipment are pioneers, testing new technologies that will pave the way for future missions. Each discovery on the moon brings us one step closer to understanding the mysteries of our universe, and it will inspire future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. The sight of children looking at the moon through a telescope or students in a classroom with a moon model ignites a sense of wonder and curiosity. These young minds are the future scientists, engineers, and explorers who will continue the legacy of space exploration. By reaching for the moon, we inspire them to aim higher and achieve the impossible. The moon is just the first step. The launch of rockets toward the moon and spacecraft orbiting it marks the beginning of a new era in space exploration. Each mission builds on the successes of the previous ones, bringing us closer to our ultimate goal of exploring the far reaches of our solar system. From there, we can set our sights on Mars and beyond. The successful landing of a Mars rover and astronauts on the Martian surface represents the next frontier. Mars offers new challenges and opportunities for discovery, and it is a stepping stone to even more distant destinations. By continuing to push the boundaries of exploration, we expand our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The journey to the Moon, Mars, and beyond is a testament to the enduring spirit of human exploration and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Section 9. Keep looking up. The future of humanity is in space. By building a moon colony, we are not just creating a new home for ourselves, but a new chapter in our story. So keep looking up at the night sky and remember, anything is possible if we dare to dream big.